vafumakadzi vafumi na vanna vhatanu nga murahu ha musi bisi chithulana na lilori matsheloni a namusi. Iyo bisi yo vha itshi khou bva Ga-Rankuwa yo livha Centurion.
The call was reported to our call center at 5:05, and the emergency services arrived on scene to find multiple patients lying on the ground, as well as some still trapped both in the bus as well as the truck. And they then started with treatment and transportation, as well as the extrication of the injured, as well as those that were deceased.
Mapholisa Batswane be baba bolindela u shuma tshiṱerekeni tsha shango ḽoṱhe tshine a tshongo tsha itea vho kona u ṱavhanya vha thusedza henefho he a itea tshiwo itsho.
The MMC of Community Safety Alderman Tennyson has sent the messages of condolences to the families, those who deceased in this particular accident scene, and again is wishing speedy recovery to those who are injured.
Mungwe wa shaka la orisiaho uri lingwe shaka lavo lo ponya lufu nga buli la Nelete nge alindela bisi ya murahu.
My other cousin was supposed to be in the same bus, but this morning she decided, look, I'm late, I'll follow you. And then now on her arrival, while her second bus was following this, that was involved in an accident, she called and said, no, there's an accident, and my cousin is also in that bus. So it's then that I came here. On my arrival, I say that she was declared dead.
Vhathu varena mafuvhalo vho isiwa kha maongelo a re afho tsini hune a vha George Mukhari, Steve Biko na kalulaho. Mashaka vho kwameaho vha khou humbelwa uri vha kwamane na mapholisa a Acacia kha u wana zwidodombedzwa zwinzhi.